Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to do this delicious chicken parm, and it is so easy my friends. If you've seen a lot of my recipes here on my channel, my recipes are easy and my channel is all about cooking, entertaining, decorating, and good vibes. So if this is your type of content my friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. You want to impress your friends and guests? This is the recipe. I am going to actually prepare my own marinara sauce. I'm not going to use the can. You can use the can marinara sauce if you wish, but I have a cheat sheet. So I actually have to go to the store because I need to pick a few stuff so I can get my marinara stuff from scratch. Come with me and let me show you guys how to prepare this delicious and easy chicken parm. I don't know about you guys. I usually order my groceries online probably twice a month. But during the holidays, I actually like to do my groceries in the store because you get to see all this deliciousness of desserts and the holiday cookies. Oh my, these are delicious. Anyhow, let's get to what we came for. Okay, my friends, we have everyone together now. We have all the ingredients we're going to be needing for this delicious chicken parm. And we're going to need an onion. Don't matter, it can be a white or red onions. Yes, guys, I have about 10 cloves of garlic because the marinara sauce that I am going to prepare, I want it to be nice and garlicky. Okay, so we have some salt, we have black pepper, we have some oregano, okay? We have some oil, and of course we have the cheeses. I do have the mozzarella, and I also have extra mozzarella because I want this chicken parm to be extra cheesy. Not sure if I mentioned eggs, but you're gonna need 2 eggs as well. We're gonna need some Parmesan cheese as well. We have some flour. We have the breadcrumbs, the Italian style, of course. We have the crushed tomatoes, which we're gonna be using for the marinara sauce. And I'm going to be using 2 cans. You can just do 1 if you like. I am doing 2. If I have extra, I can always freeze it and save it for some other time. Okay? And of course, we have our chicken breast right here. Guys, this is going to be so delicious. Now this is going to cook for a few minutes. I'm going to give this a few more minutes and we are ready to add the crushed tomatoes. And the key to this marinara sauce, my friends, is that the longer you keep this, in other words, you know what, cook this for a good 15-20 minutes and then let it sit so all these ingredients can marinate that marinara sauce. It's perfect. It's exactly what we want. See how nice and caramelized the onions. Just keep it in mind, we don't want to burn the garlic. Okay, so let's do this. Got 1 pan, and you can use any crushed tomatoes brand, but I like the Cento brand the best. The best. We're gonna go ahead and season our sauce. As always, my friends, season to taste. I'm going to be adding some oregano, some salt and pepper. And again, this is already infused with onions and garlic. If you want to add some extra garlic powder and onion powder, go right ahead. What's my salt? Now the black pepper. We like it spicy. And I'm gonna add some of the oregano. I'm gonna leave some for the end as well. And this is gonna cook in a medium-high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. And now that our sauce is cooking, let's work on the chicken. Let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and season with some salt on both sides, salt and pepper, and some oregano, of course. You gotta be careful with this because I am gonna also season my flour with a little bit of salt as well. So we don't want to over season our chicken, and we're gonna do this on both sides. Now look how beautiful this looks. Our marinara sauce is ready. This is perfect. Here we have our flour, our Italian breadcrumbs. And guys, I know I said 2 eggs, but I actually added 1 more egg. So we have 3 eggs here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and season my flour with some salt. Okay, some pepper. And yes, I'm gonna add just a little bit of oregano. So this is what it looks like, my friends. We have our flour, we have our eggs, and this is the order. So it's gonna be flour, egg, and then the breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna be adding some Parmesan cheese to the breadcrumbs. This is gonna really give the chicken parm a delicious taste, my friends. And we have a pretty dish here to place our chicken. I have my oven at 425 degrees. So let's do this. And we need to make sure that the chicken is completely covered. Go. Place it here, side, and then the other side. Perfect. And I'm gonna do this. And here we go. Now here we need to make sure that we covered the chicken with the breadcrumbs and the delicious Parmesan cheese. How beautiful this look. It's completely coated and it is ready to cook. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil on my non-stick pan, and we are gonna cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I managed to squeeze 3 large pieces of chicken here. This chicken is ready. It's nice and golden. This is perfect. We have our cheese. We have a mozzarella cheese here, ready to dress this beautiful chicken parm, my friends. This is gonna be so delicious. Yummy, yummy. My oven is already preheated at 425. I am going to be using this large baking dish. We're going to go ahead and place our chicken here. It's going to be so delicious. This is Beautiful, my friends. I like to cover my chicken, completely cover this delicious sauce. And this is what's gonna keep the chicken nice and moist. Now this is the best part. I'm gonna add the cheese. I know they're overlapping, but it's okay. It's gonna be so good. I'm just gonna add some cheese on top now. I'm gonna add some more mozzarella. We're gonna go ahead and bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano. This is going to give it such a nice kick. I'm gonna place this in the center and it's gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Now look how beautiful this looks, my friends. This is ready and I cannot wait to try it. Yummy. I sure hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and Merry Christmas to all. Until next time, bye-bye.